I'm really good at breaking down the walls, making people feel comfortable and being able to explain complicated financial concepts in a very simple way. I love to demonstrate with stories and storytelling about situations I've encountered over the years, and I love to just get people thinking and get them to take action. Hi, I'm Angela Moore, and I'm a certified financial planner and money coach with Modern Money Education. I love teaching. It's something I'm so passionate about, and more than ever, I think that this is something that's needed. People need to have a strong financial understanding so that they can navigate everything that's going on in the world right now. One thing about me is that I am really good at breaking down complex financial topics into very simple, easy to understand pictures and concepts. If you want to offer a fun and engaging financial workshop, consider hiring me for your next event.